Have you ever planted broccoli and ended up with tiny heads, yellow flowers, or bitter-tasting harvests? If so, you're not alone. Broccoli can seem tricky, but once you understand what it really needs, it becomes one of the most rewarding vegetables you can grow. In this video, I'm going to walk you through everything you need to know to grow broccoli successfully, from choosing the right variety all the way to harvesting beautiful full heads from your own garden. Let's start with the different types of broccoli, because choosing the right variety sets the foundation for success. Broccoli is a brassica. The most common type is calabrese broccoli, which is the classic broccoli you see in grocery stores. It produces one large central head followed by smaller side shoots once the main head is harvested. This type is reliable, productive, and perfect for beginners. Sprouting broccoli is a little different. Instead of one big head, it produces many smaller shoots over a longer period of time. It's incredibly flavorful and very cold hardy, making it an excellent choice for fall or overwintering gardens. Then there's broccolini, sometimes called baby broccoli. It's a hybrid that produces thin, tender stalks with smaller heads and a mild, slightly sweet flavor. Broccolini grows faster than traditional broccoli and is great for container gardening or quick harvests. No matter which type you choose, make sure it's suited to your climate, especially if you garden in a warmer area where heat-tolerant varieties perform better. Next, let's talk about temperature and sunlight, because broccoli is a cool season crop. Broccoli grows best when temperatures stay between 60 and 70 degrees Fahrenheit. When temperatures climb above 75 degrees, broccoli can become stressed and may bolt, which means it flowers early instead of forming a proper head. Once broccoli flowers, the quality of the harvest quickly declines. Broccoli prefers full sun and needs about 6 to 8 hours of sunlight each day. However, if you live in a hot climate, a little afternoon shade can make a big difference and help prevent heat stress. Soil quality is another critical factor in growing great broccoli. Broccoli prefers loose, well-draining soil that is rich in organic matter. Heavy, compacted soil can stunt growth and lead to poor head development. The ideal soil pH is between 6.0 and 7.0, which is slightly acidic to neutral. Before planting, it's important to amend your soil with compost or well-aged manure. This improves soil structure, boosts nutrients, and helps retain moisture. Healthy soil supports strong root development, which leads to healthier plants and bigger heads. When it comes to fertilizer, broccoli is a heavy feeder, especially when it's young and building lots of leafy growth. Early on, broccoli needs plenty of nitrogen to support strong stems and lush leaves. Organic fertilizers like fish emulsion, compost tea, or blood meal work very well. A balanced fertilizer can also be used, especially once the plant begins forming heads. At planting time, compost mixed into the soil gives broccoli a strong start. A few weeks after transplanting, feeding with a nitrogen-rich fertilizer helps fuel growth. Once the central head starts forming, switching to a more balanced fertilizer supports head development without encouraging excessive leaf growth. Too much nitrogen late in the season can result in large plants with disappointingly small heads. Watering broccoli correctly is just as important as feeding it. Broccoli needs consistent moisture and generally requires about 1 to 1.5 inches of water per week. The key is to water deeply and evenly, keeping the soil consistently moist but never waterlogged. Inconsistent watering can lead to bitter flavor, cracked heads, or stressed plants. Mulching around your broccoli plants with straw, leaves, or wood chips helps retain moisture, keeps the soil cool, and reduces weed competition. Mulch is especially helpful during warm weather when soil dries out quickly. Now let's talk about planting and spacing. Broccoli can be started from seed indoors about 4 to 6 weeks before your last expected frost. Once seedlings have 4 or 5 true leaves, they're ready to be transplanted into the garden. When planting, spacing is very important. Broccoli plants should be spaced about 18 to 24 inches apart, with rows spaced 24 to 36 inches apart. Giving broccoli enough room allows proper air circulation and ensures each plant has access to enough nutrients, water, and sunlight. Crowded plants often produce smaller heads and are more prone to disease. Broccoli doesn't require heavy pruning, but a little maintenance goes a long way. Removing yellowing or damaged leaves helps improve airflow and keeps plants looking healthy. One important thing to remember is that after harvesting the main head, you should leave the plant in the ground. Many broccoli varieties will continue producing smaller side shoots for weeks, giving you an extended harvest from a single plant. Knowing when and how to harvest broccoli makes a huge difference in flavor and quality. Broccoli is ready to harvest when the head is firm and tight, and the buds are deep green. If you start seeing yellow flowers, the broccoli has gone too far, so it's important to harvest at the right time. To harvest, use a sharp, clean knife and cut the main head about 5 to 6 inches below the head. The best time to harvest is in the morning, when the heads are crisp and full of moisture. After harvesting the main head, continue caring for the plant and watch for side shoots, which can be harvested as they mature. Growing broccoli doesn't have to be complicated. With the right variety, proper temperatures, healthy soil, consistent watering, and timely harvesting, you can grow delicious, homegrown broccoli that rivals anything from the store. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share your broccoli growing experiences in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and happy gardening!